Okay, hey guys, so where you wanna go? Uh, Mario, are you sure you got the car started? Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. Oh, it's a Toyota symbol. Did you buy it at the Toyota company? Yes, Bomb, I already did, okay? So, let's go. Oh, crap, I forgot the keys. Can you do anything else besides... Let's okay. Uh, I'm guessing... the door. Which door are open? You're asking? There's a light that says your door's open. I don't know if it's... it's... Oh, wait a minute. It's the trunk. Never mind. Okay. Hey, so, are we going somewhere? You're saying? No. Oh, no. I'll go. Okay, I'll go check with the pigs, okay? Yep. Okay. Okay. Are you guys checking the car? Oh, we're just watching the view. Yeah, because our job was like tires and like that. What? Your job? No. Your job is to like check the engine. Oh, sorry for that. Yeah. Just go already. Ah! Oh, ow. Oh. Mario, why would you have to do that? Sheesh. I will check the engine and next. Fine. Whatever. Jeez, I hate when people do that. Okay. Okay. So, you're saying, we already said you were talking to the minion pigs. The keys, my keys are in the house. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just, ring. Oh, that must be, unknown call? Hello? Oh, hey man. What up? Who are you? Oh, it's Freddy. Oh, hey Freddy, what are you doing? You're gonna meet me at 6 a.m., right? Yeah, 6 a.m. Oh, okay, that sounds good. And, Bonnie, wanna say hi to Mario? He's sleeping. Okay, so, look, I know this is bad, but someone is starting to feel really sick in the bathroom. What? What do you mean? You see, when we were like partying at a house, Chica had to go to the toilet and do something. She had to throw up. She ate too many burgers or something like that. Okay, man. See you at 6 a.m. Okay? Okay, right? Wait. Why is Chica? We hanged up. Alright, that's like, okay. Yeah, just look at the view. Okay, whatever. Huh? What's Foxy doing over there? I better check. You guys stay here, okay? Okay. Okay. Wow, this is really chilly out here. Well, hey Foxy. Hey Red. Maybe you excuse for a second? Okay. So, what are you doing here, Foxy? We were just, we were hanging out. It sounds like you were dating. Ow. No, we weren't. Okay. What do you mean you weren't? Listen, Red, I know know you've been here a lot of times, and you always like know every single you want to be raised and stuff. Yeah, I always challenge Super Mario Brothers. Okay. Okay, so what I'm saying is that you and your friends are you wanna go hiking? No. You said you were going hiking on 3 days with Mango. Shoot. Well, I'll catch you up with you later, man. Okay. Besides, why are you with Mango? Hold it. Is that your hand? Yeah, because I had my other part. You know nothing about dating Mango. I know nothing about dating Mango. You shall now go back to your seat. I shall now go back to my... What are you doing? I was thinking, we could go somewhere tomorrow. Seriously, you're like that. Would you go back to your friends? Oh. Sheesh. Alright, where were we, Mango? You were talking? Oh, okay. Hey, Red, you okay? Foxy, was that even so harsh? No, that wasn't harsh. One day, I'm gonna get Foxy and I'll kick his butt. Well, just forget about Foxy, man, okay? Oh, okay. Besides, why is Mario like that? Oh, you're right here? Right now? Yeah, we've been waiting for your car to start. Let me talk to Minion Pigs. Minion Pigs? Yeah. You were supposed to check the engine! Oh, sorry about that. Oh, I forgot. Check it now or you'll both get your butts kicked. Okay. Every time. Okay, this. Oh. Come on, man. Let's go. Good. Okay, we're here. This car's filthy. There's a scratch mark here. Okay, let's check the engine, man. But it's under the hood. I know it's under the hood, but we better make it quick. Oh my god, it's hot steam in there. We can't go in? No. Well, let me tell Mario about something. Mario! Yeah? Guessing your engine, it needs gas. What do you mean it needs gas? I mean it needs gas. How much did it cost? Well, did you waste all the money? I wasted for a birthday party. Well, I'll catch you up later, man. Bye. Wait, hey, what about the money? Sorry, but I had to go for a meeting for SCP Foundation. My brothers need me. Come on, Minion Pig. Okay. It's gonna be fun, right? Yeah, it's gonna be fun, okay? Alright. Okay, lock the door. Okay, guys. I'm guessing we're not going anywhere. What? I thought we were going to a gas station or buy snacks. Well, I'm sorry, but I'm running out of gas. So let's do something fun. How about, bingo. We don't have cards or chips. Yeah, Well, hey, Mario, let go of me. Let go. You see, I don't like you. Get out. Oh. Ow. Haha. Was that necessary, Mario? Why would you do that? Because I'm bored and I don't have gas, so let's just say I don't want to ride. No, good luck. I'll be sleeping until the rest of the night. Until, oh, it's 3 a.m. in the morning. Good night. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go, guys. But what about the snacks and stuff? What about snacks, man? What about snacks? You left the car door open. These are that. You guys still here? Yeah, we're still here. We're talking, okay? It's the worst trip ever. Okay. Hey guys, let's call it to an end. Let's just go home. We're already home, man. Oh, okay. Alright, guys, thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.